Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world. So guys, in today's video we are going to learn a little bit about the coin that you are seeing in front of you. That's the 1 Dakoda coin of the Junagadh princely state. A bit history of Junagadh is like this. So the Junagadh tracked its lineage from a person called Usman Khan. He was actually a follower of Humayun who came from the Afghan region to fight with him for the Indian territory and everything. Now during the time of Humayun, he helped him to conquer different parts of India, and especially there was a war between the Chittor king that time, and this Usman Khan helped the Humayun, and later his descendant helped the later descendants of the Mughal to win over a lot of part of India. So the king got pleased by his work, and the Mughal king gave him the title of Bambi. So it was like a kind of titular local ruler. So most of them were situated in the southern part of the Saurashtra, which now it's the state of Gujarat. Foundation of Babi dynasty, which founded and ruled over Junagadh, can be traced up to 1654 from a person called Muhammad Sher Khan Babi. So this person founded it like a local kingdom of Mughal Empire, but later during 1730s, when this Mughal Empire started losing its power over India, there was a struggle between the Maratha Empire, Gaekwads of Baroda, and the Babi dynasty to exert their rule and power over the Saurashtra region. And during that time, in 1713, Muhammad Mahabad Khanji, the descendant of Muhammad Sher Khan Babi, he actually proclaimed that particular Junagadh area to be an independent kingdom of Junagadh. So Babi dynasty have not only ruled over the Junagadh but also some other places such as Radhanpur, Bilasnor, Badmavandar, etc. Now you have to understand it is one of the few Islamic princely states that existed in India, which have a controversial history of joining to India, because there are a lot of places which said that it first thought about joining Pakistan, but later on the basis of some kind of referendum happened and then it joined India. So the history is a bit unclear, and I think you should read about it because it's an interesting story. In 1807, it became a princely state of Britishers, like lot of another princely states, by accepting a suzerainty of the British. So it became like a riyasat. So the riyasat term in Hindi is like an equivalent to princely state concept in English. So it was known as the Junagadh Riyasat. Now, as I said, it's how it joined in India, and whether its joining to India was in a legitimate way or not, it's still like a debatable subject, but it's good to if you are interested to read into it. But let's look into the coin that we are discussing today. Dakoda coin that you are seeing in front of you is one of the 4 types of Dakoda coin issued by Rashid Muhammad Khan Babi of the Babi dynasty in Junagadh. He was one of the last ruler of the Babi dynasty in Junagadh, and he issued this kind of Dakoda coin. So the standard currency of Junagadh was Kori, which was the standard currency of most of the dynastic rules or the princely states in the Saurashtra region. So the Kori was subdivided into this Dakoda. So Dakoda was 1 Dakoda is 1/24 of a Kori, and this Dakoda was again subdivided into Trambio in Junagadh. So 1 Dakoda is 2 Trambio and 24 Dakoda is 1 Kori. So that was the conversion rate. Now this coin that you are seeing in front of you, it has 4 varieties actually. So he issued one in 1906, 1907, and then there is 1909 version. Then there is a common version from 1907 to 1909. So there are 1906 to 1909. So there are 4 varieties of this in existence, and this is the 1907 version. Now how do you understand which year version or which version of Dakoda you are having in this with you is looking into this area, this area in which the year is written. So each version of the Dokkodo coin has a different design here where the date is written. So as you can see in the screen, it's like different in four of them. So that's how you can identify like in which version of Dokkodo you are having. Now if you're looking into the physical attributes of this coin, this was a standard circulation coin that was circulating in the Junagadh princely state. It was made of copper metal and the weight of the coin is 3.75 grams. Diameter is 20 millimeter and thickness is 1 millimeter. So this is only the physical attribute of this particular coin. These are the physical attribute of only this version of which is one of the four versions of Dokkodo issued in the Junagadh state under the Rashul Muhammad Khan Bhabi. So the other Dokkodos will be having a different physical attributes. I'm giving the link to them is in the description of this video. You can check if you are interested. Now let's look into what is written in the obverse and reverse of this particular coin. So the obverse of this particular coin, you can see it is written in Persian legend. The what it is written in English is Ek Paisa Junagadh Riyasat. So Riyasat means princely state, Junagadh is Junagadh princely state, 1 paisa is written in this side. And the year given here is the Vikram Samvat equivalent of 1906, that's 1963. So which is like a quite unique combination, because usually when the Persian letters are used, Hijri year is given in that place, and when the Devanagari letters are used, the Vikram Samvat year is given. But instead of that, in this particular coin we can see that in the Persian letter they are combining it with the Hijri date. The Vikram Samvat date. So that's a unique combination. So the Vikram Samvat date in this coin is 1963, which is equivalent to 1906 in the Christian calendar. The reverse side, as you can see, Devanagari letters are given like this. So in a like circular form around the outline of the coin, you can see it is written Sri Surat Sarkar, which means the government of Surat region in English, and inside the circle it is 1 Dokkodo written. So this coin is not in a like very good condition, but this is a single year coin, and hence even if it's not in a good condition, it was a good addition, so I got it in. And below that you have to see the year is also given in this coin, and the year which is given here is the Hijri year of 1325. So here, as I said in the previous while discussing the other side, here the combination is of a Devanagari script with the Hijri year. So that's a unique combination that I have found in this coin from Junagadh. Not this coin, but largely in all the Junagadh coins the combination is made like this. So it was an interesting fact for me to know when I was studying for discussing this coin. Now the single year coins are not that easily found in Indian markets, but I'm not saying that it can't be found. It's like scarcely find. Usually the version that you can find easily is the like multi-year version. That's from 1907 to 1910 there was a version, as I discussed before. That version can be like found easily in Indian market, and if you want to add one of that version to your collection, I am giving link to a place known as coinstuff.com. It's a microblog which like started recently for like selling coins and everything. I have checked it out and found it like really nice, so I thought I'll give a link to that also to here. So if you want, you can check it out. I'm giving the link to that in the description. So I hope the discussion about this coin was interesting to you. If you want to learn more stuff like this, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to share it to your friends and family who is like interested in knowing about the great history and culture of our country. So till meeting with a new video, bye bye.